Hi, my name is Marijan Jozic and I'm Global Director of Business Development at SAE-ITC. My story begins in 1968 with the epic movie Space Odyssey 2001. One of the major players in the epic movie was a computer called HAL 9000. That is my first contact with the idea about artificial intelligence. Computer HAL 9000 said to Dave at a certain moment in the movie, Dave, high gain antenna will fail in 48 hours. You should do something about it. How cool is that to predict the failure of a component? But today, 56 years later, we can predict the failure of the component in our aircraft. My presentation at Aerotech conference in Charlotte is exactly about that. It is at March 12th at 9 o'clock sharp. After that, you can meet and greet with me and get my book, Aviation Engineering, Navigating Through the Golden Years. We will give away 10 books for free. See you in Charlotte.